Hello mga kalola! Kamusta na kayo? It's been a while. So today, I'm going to build a shelving para sa aming container can. And then para ma-organize din yung mga gamit namin sa loob ng sea can. So, fast forward ko ang video. And because I'm getting ready for the wood. So I used 2x3 wood para sa shelving. So, this shelving is made of 2x3 spruce wood. So, I used 2.5-inch number 8 deck screw. And then, in this project, I made 3 shelves because that is the size of boxes I have. So, I fast forward the video so you can see what I done. So mga kalola, in this project, I based my design on ladder. So I created, oh that's Chica, I'm sorry guys. So I made 3 identical ladder. I put one in the middle to make sure that it is strong enough to carry all the boxes.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love, you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is forever yours. I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your every.
So yan na ang finished product ng aking project. I hope you enjoy guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.